Well, good day everyone again. Still working on this air filter. It's slightly rusty overnight, but that doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is treat the rust. Then I don't like, see the surface is all a bit rough. We'll do a zoom in. So as you can see, it's all pitted. So I think I might, I'll use a bit of body filler, just to very fine skim on it, just to make it a smoother surface. Because they look quite nice when they're smooth, not nice when they're rough. So give it a go.
It's also full of inviting taverns.
Well, that's the first couple of coats on the air filter. So as you can see the colour, red of course, for the Devil Dart. So there we are, looking better. Not as smooth as I hope I could have got that air cleaner. Still a bit of texture, but yeah, it's best I can do, which is always not the best quality, but I try. And it's certainly better than it started anyway. I mean, it hasn't got the holes in it and things like that now, so it's all rust proof, so it should be okay. And I think when it's in the engine bay, tucked away to the side, it probably won't be that noticeable anyway. So a couple more coats of this and then I'll assemble it and you'll see the final product. Then it will just be put on the shelf until one day in the distant future when we actually need it. But I just wanted a departure, you know, from doing the springs and the suspension and mucking around with that stuff. So probably procrastinating really, but anyway, that's what it is. So yeah, we're getting there. All little steps. So that's the air cleaner done. I might get one more bit of paint, but essentially it's done. So, yeah, good. Another thing restored.